My name is Clayton Kunkel. I am the supervisor over the composites area at Game Composites. Everything going all right?
Yeah.
I was in a lot of the shop classes at HAR-BER High School, and so a lot of that's the same kind of environment, you know, working with your hands and all that. And I had a teacher, I believe he's retired now, his name was Stowe Hoffius, and he is a pilot and has his own plane, and he knows Philip, which is our boss. And so through their connection, he said, you know, we have a chance to go do something cool. Showed us about it. We came up here and visited. We graduated on a Saturday, and then we already had a job the following Monday. So there was like no break. We were just ready to go, so we started. It's been really cool and fun. There's been a lot of growth and a lot of chances to like step out of your comfort zone and like improve yourself and people around you.
Game Composites, we design and manufacture and certify aircraft that's focused on general aviation. Workforce readiness is training and skill development that better prepares employees to make a positive impact from day one. The high schools, especially in Northwest Arkansas, are starting to see an opportunity to provide a better trained workforce that's ready from day one for a growing ecosystem of diverse companies here in Northwest Arkansas. It's really exciting to put your hands on something, and then in just a few weeks or months' time, you get to see your work literally fly out the building.
My name is Elijah Ainsley. I work at Game Composites, and I'm a quality inspector. I went to HAR-BER High School. So we make aerobatic airplanes. It's really cool. It's everything's composite, everything's carbon fiber, fiberglass. It's all made in-house. I took a lot of classes like Intro to Craft Skills, and I had a CNC class, just stuff like that. A lot of shop classes. They made me, you know, aware of how to use different kinds of tools and familiar with everything. And so when I came here, everything is just stuff that I was a little bit familiar with, at least. Being able to take that at HAR-BER, that definitely helped.
The benefit of what we do here within this company at Game Composites is we give people an opportunity to earn a really good starting wage, to develop a set of skills that can grow into a lifelong career with the company. And that's what we want, is to not only hire and bring in the right talent, but to retain them through their life cycle of employment. The mental model of what is successful after you graduate high school is shifting, and it needs to continue to shift. The ecosystem within this region and within the state really is changing a lot. There's businesses like Game Composites that are really growing and booming within the region, and we need talent that has a wide range of skills, experience, and education. It's really important to understand that companies like us are willing to invest heavily in our workforce. We want to find that right talent. We want to keep them here, keep them happy, and grow them into future roles, and that's how we'll be successful.